Hi, my name is Siyanda Calvin Ntega, the founder and director of KZN Youth Business Awards, and also the chairman of Ntega Foundation, a non-profit organization based here in Durban. We are here at Umlazi Max's Lifestyle today with Tia, whereby we are attending a KZN workshop. It's very important to support my business as a location. I always say KZN economy is the biggest contributor kumnotho wezwe, so it's very important esokwenza namhlanje nesokubona nesokufunda. What I liked about today's workshop ukuthi it was more informative, number one. Number two, our speakers were engaging with the audience, and also number three, we even had to interact with ama department ka government balana today ukuzolekelela. So it's like the whole department is here, like the Department of Small Business, it's here, and also kuna Net Bank as well, and also amanye ama department like your NYDA agency kahulumeni. So today it's not nje ukuthi abantu bazo attend, but siyasizakala on the spot. So it's very important usuku namhlanje kuthina as also my business and also as abantu who are pushing a township economy. My experience today as a speaker, number one, I was so emotional. For the first time, I was given flowers, thanks to a founder, Mr. for actually acknowledging the work that one has been doing for quite some time here in the province. And also, for me, it served as an encouragement. I know what we are doing, we don't expect Uguti Sibongwe, but today for me, it was rather emotional, But also, it was also very, very, very nice to be in the same room with my entrepreneur. The energy and the atmosphere was so awesome.